Okay, so I want to explain how to do problems like exercise 5 on page 142. It looks a little bit scary, and that's why I'm making this video. I'm going to show you a problem like this and sort of 3 different ways to a solution. 2 of them are very similar, 1 is a little bit different. So here is the problem that I'm going to solve in 3 different ways. One of the ways, option A, we'll take the F and the FR as the first things to multiply. And from the multiplication table on the previous page, I can see that F combined with RF is R squared, right? So what this is, combining these two, is R squared, and then what we have left over is R squared F. So then I'm going to combine R squared with R squared F, and the result, the product, if you will, is RF. So that was that. Now let me do option B, which is quite similar. So it really starts the same way. So I'm going to combine F and RF. And what we got out of that was R squared. And then I have R squared and F. Now, instead of looking back in the table, I can see that what I get from combining R squared and R squared, so you can think of these as separate terms of the product. So R squared and R squared is R to the 4th times F, and R to the 4th, because one whole turn with the triangle is 3, what I'm left with is 1 more R. So R to the 4th is really just equal to R, and I have the F there left over. So that's my second way of doing it. My third way of doing it involves an actual triangle, a physical triangle, in which I've written A, B, and C in the vertices like that. Notice that the vertex A is also called A on the flip side, B is B, and C is C. So with this method, I'm going to flip and reflect the triangle several times. Now, keep in mind that the original position, what we call 1, has A on the bottom left corner, then B on the bottom right, and C on the top. So, I'm going to go through this sequence. So if I start here, I flip the thing, I rotate the thing, I flip it again, I rotate twice, 1, 2, and then I flip it one more time. So what I end up with, dot, 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 is A, C, B. Now the question is, which one of these different arrangements is this? I have A, C, B, A, C, B. Look at that, RF. So that's why I said that there were 3 ways to a solution. We have option A, option B, and then flipping and rotating the triangle is our option C. So that's that.